For 10,000 years, farming was a gamble with nature. If it didn't rain, we starved. But in 2026, the gamble is over. We are no longer waiting for the perfect environment. We are using AI to code the perfect plant. Welcome to the era of generative agriculture, where AI is hallucinating new forms of life that can thrive where nothing else can. We've seen what AI can do with words and images. Now, we're seeing what it can do with biology. Using large life models, AI can simulate millions of years of evolution in seconds. It's designing wheat that breathes carbon faster and rice that can grow in the middle of the ocean. We aren't just farming, we are programming the future of survival. With natural bee populations in decline, AI has provided a backup. Swarms of microbots now manage the pollination of entire valleys. These bots don't just move pollen. They use AI vision to detect disease in a single leaf from a mile away. Applying a microscopic drop of medicine before the rest of the crop is even aware of the threat. But there is a catch. If the seeds are code, who owns the copyright? We are entering a world where farmers don't own their crops, they license them. Imagine a future where your food supply has a terms of service agreement. If a country or a farmer falls out of favor with a tech giant, they can literally turn off the harvest. The ultimate power isn't oil anymore. It's the algorithm that grows the grain. AI is ending scarcity, but it might be ending our independence, too. The God mode farm is here. The question is, who's in control? Let me know in the comments if you trust AI-designed food. This is AI Simplified. Like and subscribe to see what's growing next.